Hi, I thought I'd quickly talk you through what you can expect to experience and get out of our two-day applied gamification business workshop in a few weeks' time. This is based on a workshop I run quite often in-house at companies, so it works particularly well for people from different roles within a business to come together. So I would call it an introduction to how to apply gamification across different elements of the business, from HR, employee motivation and engagement, the recruitment process, marketing and loyalty, anything involving people and changing their behaviors. Throughout the day, 2 days, we've got some interesting stuff. We'll very quickly cover the basics of the neuroscience and psychology of gamification, so we know what we're talking about. Then we're going to have a look at a bunch of examples across the roles within business, and we're going to do that through our first tool, the lens of the player journey, which we found if you don't have every step in this journey, you're not going to do a successful gamification project. So very important. And then, of course, we're going to keep it fun. There'll be lots of examples where we actually experience each concept, so we really learn them well. And we'll have some fun brainstorming, some actual gamification. And I'll show you how simple it can be just to come up with the first thing that's more interesting and more engaging than what you may have worked on ever before. Day two is very much more hands-on. It's all about actually the process you need to go through to deliver the whole gamification project successfully, from making sure you've got the right objectives, checking that it's actually the right place to use gamification. It's not always. And also understanding the type of games your users or players would really appreciate. So making sure we don't waste effort on the wrong game mechanics and game elements. It's also a little bit about making sure it still stays fun to play, especially after a gamification project's been through committee or something like that, been defund. Yeah, and we'll also do a little section at the end about overcoming objections. So that's either from your stakeholders giving you the budget, or actually about getting buy-in from anyone taking part in the game or gamification. Anyway, look forward to seeing you in a few weeks' time. It's a great course.